Inside the heart of industrial excellence, we witness the birth of a titan, the Caterpillar D11.
It begins with fire and carbon, the raw ingredients of Caterpillar's legendary durability.
Precision is the core of the formula. Robotic arms fuse the chassis with microscopic accuracy. The iconic Caterpillar yellow is more than a color, it's a shield of electrostatic armor.
The cooling system is the machine's life support, engineered to conquer the world's most extreme climates. At 20 feet wide, the blade is the ultimate tool for earth moving, built with the strength of cat-grade steel. The heart of the beast, a 32-liter powerhouse that defines Caterpillar performance. Inside the steel, a digital brain manages every move, enabling the machine to think and adapt. Every component, from the smallest bolt to the massive cooling fan, is a part of the Caterpillar promise. With the final mark of quality, a machine becomes a Caterpillar. The Ripper, the machine's iron fist, is forged to shatter the world's hardest stone. Every gear and sprocket is a masterpiece of metallurgy, designed to move mountains. first start. 100 tons of engineering excellence awakens, ready to reshape the Earth. Silence is strength. Advanced sound suppression ensures the Titan works without disturbing the world around it.
Every inch is inspected, every surface perfected, because a caterpillar must be flawless.
The ultimate test. We push the limits here so the machine never fails there.
Zoom in on the hydraulics. We need to verify that reading.
It's within tolerance, but let's monitor the gradient closely.
A shield for the journey. Every machine is sealed against the elements, ensuring it arrives in cat-new condition.
From the factory floor to the furthest corners of the Earth, the D11 is built to lead the way. Caterpillar, engineering the future, one Titan at a time.